Today we're reviewing the Ryobi electric power washer. Check this out. Power washing the tires. See the tire, how clean it is? Now check this out. Definitely needs a little soap still, but it got a lot on. You can see this tire was fully power washed with the Ryobi. Look at how clean it is. Completely clean. Not a mark at all. Now,
Made up.
how long were these tires cleaned by? Do you know?
6 months ago, maybe.
6 months. And power washing them now, and you can see it's working. See the marks? Slowly but surely. Cleaning them up. Just takes a little time. But as you can see, this tire was done and it is completely shiny and clean. I mean, there's not a mark in here. So, does the electric power washer from Ryobi work? Yep, it does. It's 1600 PSI and the hose just attaches in the back here, plugs right in. Power cord, which we've run up to the house, and then you're good to go. Power wash your car or your house or whatever, and it works very well. You can check it out by clicking the link below. Definitely works. It's charming.
I'll show you on the house.
Yeah, show us the before and after on the house.
Watch.
Let's see it on the house. Did you do it on the house yet?
Really?
Yeah, I hear you. Maybe go to the bottom where the dirt is. Yep, you can see the layers coming up. Look out. Yep, use it on the house. Definitely not as strong as a regular power washer, but it's still pretty good. How much was it?
$100.
Oh, wow. What's a regular power washer cost?
I think it was actually 80.
Huh.
Power washer, like $200-300.
Yeah. Not a bad middle of the road product. It still improves the cleanliness of your house or car.
It's so easy to do like a car.
Yeah, it's really simple, really lightweight.
Watch this, David. I'm gonna clean the engine bay with it.
Yeah?
That's a private setup. Watch this.
Yeah, it's already pretty clean, but good to keep the engine clean, that's for sure. Engine's clean. As you can see, this tire is like halfway done, but it's still a lot cleaner. I mean, there's not a speck on the tires, so they're working really well on the tires. It's the Ryobi 1600 PSI pump spinning pressure washer. Simple on switch, and attach them once again. And you can go gentle or abrasive. So right now it's not gentle, so it does have the ability to have a higher, more pressure. So very simple, very lightweight, which is nice. And you can check it out